uh, so guys, this is your exercise video, is a bonus lecture, and I don't show you what I use code. Please, you can comment your code and I suggest you what you wrong and what I do for you. Okay, so I create a new program, new mini program like lucky number. So I run and find your lucky number. What do your first name? So my first name is Hemant, and hit enter. And where you live, and I live in Mumbai. And what is your born year? And my born year is 1991. And your lucky number is 16. So guys, please create your mini program, that's it, and comment. Okay, and I give you hint. I use input and integer integer value. So you can search in your Google and suggest, and please create your program. Okay.